All right, WMC active members, here is the video for the Harry Doyle active member freebie. We will check the time here is January 3rd at 9:35 p.m. We will go over to the freebie and type live. And we have January 3rd at 9:35 p.m. I've entered the list of names here. We have 69 entries in the freebie. We're going to need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. All right, 8 times. 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Last and final. Good luck. It is Tyler. You are the winner of the Harry Doyle freebie. We will contact you. I believe Jacob will be contacting you to get your information to ship that to you. There again is our timestamp, our verification code, January 3rd at 9:35 p.m. That's it, guys. We appreciate you. We'll do another one in January. Thanks.